In the BioLector XT microbioreactor, all gases passing through the headspace of the microtiter plate can be humidified to minimize evaporation of culture broth from the cultivation wells. To refill or exchange the deionized water, select Refill Water Bottle on the screen during idle mode. This will unlock the door on the front. Slide the door open and tilt the bottle outwards. Unscrew it from the thread and replace it with a clean bottle of fresh DI water. Tilt the bottle inward and shut the door. Finally, wait for the pressure test to complete.